Hi, welcome to Civil Connection channel. Now we are going to see about 3D modeling of staircase handrails. So if you are viewing this channel for the first time, subscribe the channel and press the bell button for notification of further videos. Now I have opened the AutoCAD. This stair has been already modeled. If you haven't seen this, see the video. It has been, I'll be giving the link in the description. So I shall now proceed with the handrails. So for that I am using 3D polyline command. So I have some marking here because this handrail will start at some distance from the steps. So I have marked here and I have made the marking there, and here every place there will be some distance from these steps. So I have made 100 mm spacing for each and every outside the handrails. I have made 100 mm difference. So there is difference between 3D polyline and polyline. So it is nothing but you can draw the line, that is polyline, in 3 directions using polylines, 3D polyline command. But when you are using the ordinary polyline command, you can draw only in 2 directions. So in both sides there will be handrails. So both sides I am starting. Now I have made the polyline by 100 mm from the edge of the stair. Now I need to copy this. So I can copy this polylines, both polylines. Before that I can copy both polyline to a height of 650 mm. Okay, by in vertical direction I have placed copy. Now again I shall use copy command. This is base point, and second point, it is 650 mm height. Okay. It is of vertical direction. Check whether it is in vertical direction. If it is not in vertical direction, you can erase it. So you can use with the top view command. It is not in vertical direction, so I shall erase it. Again I shall copy this. It is in vertical direction by distance 650. Again it is not in vertical direction. So still it is in vertical direction. You can make the changes. Now you can again copy all these values by copy command. Okay, this is polyline, this is also polyline. It is a single polyline. So when you select at the base, it will be moving to all the directions. So now I shall move. So here base point it is asking. I shall place this base point. I am using array command. So number of arrays, it may be come around 6 or 7. You can use 7. Okay. So it is making a distance, it is 650. Okay. You can give fit. Okay, use fit. The distance it is second point, that is 650. That's why I have chosen this 650 and copied first previously. Now it is 650. Okay, it will be seeming a vertical direction. Now we need to draw this dot here. Okay, so I shall draw separately what will be placed at this base position. So the height will come around 700. So first I shall draw a cylinder. Okay, in solid command I shall use a cylinder command, and center portion I shall choose it here. The diameter of this, it will be coming around 30. Diameter will be around 30, sorry, it will be around 50. We can choose up to 50. So because our hand would hold a 50, so I'll be giving the radius of 25. Height it is again 750 or 700. You can choose. I shall choose 700. Okay. Again there will be some outer dia. One small dia will be there. For that I shall draw a circle here. One, it is diameter 25. That is radius 25. Another circle, it has the radius of 30. Okay. Now I am using another command, that is press bull, or you can use this toolbar. Okay. I have choosing the distance between these two circles. Now you can move this. Okay. You can choose the height of half of the cylinder what you have given previously. So it is 350, that is 700 I have given, so I have given 350. Now I shall move this 3D object from base to some height, that is quarter. So it will be placed at the center. So 175. Okay, it will be placed at the center. Now again I shall choose some other cylinder, very small cylinder. It is diameter already 25 have given. So I shall choose 15 radius. I shall choose this for 100 mm, or it can provide up to 50 mm. It is comfortable. Okay. So I have given this 50. Again I shall place a spear above this. Okay, its radius is also 25, or you can give us 20. This 25 is preferable, so I shall change this as 25. Okay. Now this can be union and form a single object. Okay, we are not going to modify this. I have made into a single object. Now I shall copy this and place it at this positions. For this only I have made this marking there, so it will be comfortable for us to place this handrail verticals. So it is not placed there vertically, so I shall place it here. Okay, now I have placed it at the four corners where we would hold it. Okay, again some other verticals to be placed. So I shall create some cylinder. The radius of the cylinder, it can be only 10 mm, that is very small radius. So it can produce 10 mm radius cylinder. It is height, comes around 650. Okay. Now we can place this in each and every you can place this first here, okay, at this tip in this corners. After that you can delete it. Why I am placing here, it means you can place the array command, that is copy array command, you can use it and you can copy it there. Or if you wish, you can we are going to place only very small objects, so you can move, you can copy and you can paste this values. So I am using copy array command, okay. So first I shall place this at the base and move it there. Move command. By this I shall use 3D move. Base I shall move vertical direction by 150. So by 150. Again the same command, base point I need to move in this direction by 100 mm. So I have placed at the tip of this handrail. Now I shall move this, okay. I shall copy this 3D solids, this both 3D solids I shall copy it as per the path, okay. Base point I shall choose it here, and second point it will be array. Array number of items I shall remove this also. Number of items it may comes around 10. So the path we need to choose, it is at this point, it is fit, you need to give fit and click the point. It's not second point, it's just array it is, I shall give 6 number of, enter the number of items, it is 5 or 6. Okay, or you can place this in the places where you need. Now I shall copy this. So here when I paste it, it has been pasted in this position, so I shall remove it. So now I shall again use the copy command, 3D solid, copy command, base point, this is a base point, okay. I shall use the array number of arrays I shall choose here, it is only 5, Here I shall use vertical, that is a straight alignment. Here it is for fit. Okay, in this end and that end there is some other solids. I shall remove that. Can choose it and delete it. Here I shall choose it and I shall delete it. The same solid I need to, sorry, before I am deleting this, I need to copy again. Here there is solid, that solid I need to copy it to this side. So copy command and here array, only 2 numbers of array, 2 or 3, it depends, 3 numbers of array. Okay, so it is fit. Fit means within that point it will be fitting. Okay, that's all. Now I can copy this solid, or you can move this solid from this base point to this base point. Again I need to copy this solid and this solid from this base point to this base point. Okay, now I need to again use the array command. This copy command. In copy I shall choose the base point here and array I need to provide at least a minimum of 6 or 5. You can use 5. Okay, I shall give the fit. So fit means you need to choose this point, or you can choose this point. So it will maybe this point. So I shall click this point, press enter. So you get this verticals. Okay, now we need to provide horizontals, but you are providing only lines. You need to, I shall remove this lines, this vertical, there is no need for this vertical here for me. Now I shall draw this circles in the end. So here this vertical, this top I do not need this line, and this line I do not need. So I shall provide some circles. Okay, circle of radius, it is only 10 mm radius, or you can use only 5 mm because very small tubes will be used there. So I shall, here it is not visible, so I shall use only 10 mm radius circles. Here it is there. So I shall use the command sweep. Okay, this base, this polyline, here this polyline, again there is another polyline, here is another polyline, and this bottom is not considered here, so you can remove that. Okay, this 5 polylines are need to be swiped. Okay, so for that I need to select the object for sweeping. So I shall choose the circle for sweeping. The path you need to choose the same for other horizontals also. So I shall draw some circles, circle of same radius, circle C, 10 mm, and top horizontal is alone somewhat thicker. So again I shall draw some that is 15 or 20 mm radius. I shall copy this. I have copied. So I shall again use the sweep command. This is the object, circle is the object, and this is the path. Again sweep. This is the path. Object and then sweep. Object for sweeping, and I have chose this polyline for modeling, and again sweep object. This is the path. Again sweep object and then path. So now I have modeled all the objects. So one more it is there. Okay, so we have modeled this handrails. Thank you for watching the channel. If you like, press the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed it, subscribe the channel and press the bell button so you get the notification of the videos what I have uploaded. Thank you.